So welcome to VGA Tech Blog. So you see that blue right here because I talked to the AI to make the page white, right? When I tell the AI to make the default of the page white, I didn't tell the AI nothing about changing the unless there's some kind of what would you call it, style that goes from the template that the AI is choosing. So now if I come back now and have the AI remove this and return back my search engine with my voice search AI, right? Back in place where it's supposed to be. We also talk about Luna search page, and we don't see Luna search page. So it's just what AI is doing or if it's building stuff fast enough. Over a lot of stuff, it seems to build a platinum portal fast, and the VR is connected to VR Studio. Right, schedule, I don't know if that's even up yet, right? So I just see some pages are not up. Last time we didn't have those pages up, so all those pages are fixed, and then it's anyway, yes. Yeah, we have virtual reality studio, you guys, right? That be. So we got to access and manage real world objects for virtual productions. Um, and we do computing, so we're gonna talk about that in a minute. And the studio, I swear, and the studio is not open from there. Let's go over here, right? So to me, I wonder what the agent is doing. You're putting the links there. It's opening over here, but it's not opening over there. So uh, let me get out the notification thing. And we'll decide that this just come on a timer and flash out. Okay. We have I think we have teleops up. Yes. But teleops is here. When it's a Jamaican version of WhatsApp, right? But it's not completely finished yet, but it's got a lot of stuff in it that I want. And when it's up and running, you can invite a friend. And I guess it starts here at the website, but then you have the mobile apps. It works just the same way. It's like Facebook and everybody, they got a messenger system. Only thing our messenger system is like a messenger system, and it's like WhatsApp. And you can get a mobile version of it. Okay, some things we okay, this is my personal builder studio, and I personally dictate a lot of stuff for working and building software. Work with the Windows SDKs, right? A type and super intelligent LMC, right? So a lot of that. It's supposed to be an LM, but I guess he did because it was against the C plus. I guess he figured LM and then C, but it's only supposed to be LM. So I guess LMC machine language. a bunch of stuff that's taking place here. Okay, so this is my development platform, right? But it's supposed to be connected to VG. Time to explain to the agent that this right here that I asked to build and this is one site. And it's SMTV. So if you come here, right, and we would click a link here where we can click here while we have VG. Even though we have the node editor here, right? The Java node editor here, excuse me, that you can work from, would still rather know that you go and hit up on the button to have that over there and it's white. So that's one. I explained to them that is one little small site together. When I'm VG and I'm in my part of the site, I can click the button and turn it. So even though we know it's on the side, but we don't want it to be on the side banner like that. The other users might come in and think that's a tool for them to use. However, we have, let's go here. That's why I sort of changed the name when I was having it built. Let's go here. Going through tools. Wow. So there it is. Ops Studio. And when I did Ops Studio, you notice I didn't say the super intelligent Ops Studio. So next time we're going to the session, I have to let them know the the AS Ops Studio. That's a VG development Ops Studio in VG development page. The Ops Studio is a subscribable things for people to get. You understand? So that's making a difference. So that's where the agent is saying, okay, if I'm not going to need one ops because you're thinking I'm using that, that's got certain features, nobody's going to use that with all those features. This one on this building is this. You know what I mean? Because if I go to mines and said, okay, I'm on a calculator and I want to develop it in C, right? And I've got to include in semantics and Python inside of it too. I forgot that. So those small things, right? So where we was now? Let's go back. Let me go down. And let's talk to Luna.
Hi, I'm Luna, and I'm here to make your day easier.
So they said, try asking Luna any one of these questions. We didn't want AI. I meant online, I'm ready. Talk to Luna. Luna responds in a live. You see? So AI is still getting it wrong. Of course, yes, if we send one of these words to Luna or type something there, it's a normal thing. That's what's going on. That's not what we want. And we need to access Luna when Luna comes in the website. The first browser we want to, you log in, it logs in like this, right? It just should be logging like that. Let's go to the browser too. And we need to keep one voice, you know. We don't need to have a different voice over this side and a different voice over that side. The Luna in the Luna page is the Luna in the browser. You know, consistency. So we need, when the page loads, Luna like this, it will load.
Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
Okay. And morning already gone already and it's still saying good morning. So it's like he did a little pre-recording thing. I said, okay, that's going to satisfy. No, that won't satisfy us because that's not what we asked for. This is Luna browser, and when we're ready, this to open up, and that's what it is. Okay. So I requested the mic on the browser. Okay. You see that come up on the browser? That's how it all began. And I wanted to have the greetings up on the front of the page. But the AI thought of, oh, I'm going to put up a tour. And you click right through the tour. You know, instead of having a greeting come and actually do a voice tour. So it's like when I come back last night and I said, Ray, and threw a picture up there, it went. And I come into the site now and I see the Luna page. And when I gave an image, I should have given it more image. He did that, right? So for the time being, that's Luna. And that's as much as we can get in the animation. Right? And yeah, but you can ask Luna a few questions. But think about this. Another function that is here, which is
I had a lovely day helping people answer questions and explore ideas. It's always fun and inspiring.
okay, well you can differently change the voice to a female voice, right? Okay,
Hi, I'm Luna.
right. So this supposed to be in the browser that we can change the browser, everything. The agent build a new page out. Build a page, but build it out. You know what I'm saying, guys. Okay. But back to Luna, we have the Luna Builder that's there. So last time you guys see Luna Builder is a website builder, right? Okay, you guys see that, and you can build a website. So once Luna is up and out, that's cool. We're gonna have the greeting again.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
Oh, so I guess it's taking a little time because when I just did it, people say, good morning, and you hear me say, it's already this. There is something in the browser, though. I got to find it and show you. As I talk, it's recording my voice. I saw that. But, God. It's just got a lot of the stuff that I also is there, but it's in different places. Okay, well, it's just, and when this should operate, I gotta hit the tour.
Welcome to the Luna Live AI Business Office, Van Allen, SMTVS. I'm Luna, your personal AI business assistant. This office gives you everything you need to run your business right from your browser. You have access to your appointments, contacts, notes, Gmail, teleapp messaging, and even automatic social media posting. You can get 10 free conference calls per month. Just speak to me anytime and I'll take care of it for you. Let's get started.
Okay, so you see what I'm saying? It does come and greet you, but we want to be more on a more automatic level. Right? This is like how the agent put this new thing up here, put back my voice and AI search. So this is the Luna office, right? And I hate to go back and listen to the greeting, but let's do that. And we have to make sure the agent.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
Okay, the agent sets in knowing that, okay, once you are in the browser and you go to any page that's within the browser, that it should not bring up the greeting no more because it should recognize that you are still there. Only on first launch would she do that. And otherwise, you have to go to Luna page to hold a wrap with Luna. And when you go to Luna page to hold a wrap with Luna, you don't have to type anything for Luna to respond. You just need to talk. Maybe I needed was to say, just like Gemini Live, I want you to build it like that. Only thing, you got to turn on the mic and leave your mic on, and Gemini will respond to you when you talk. So we just want the mic on and have that same function, right? Okay, so that's a lot of things that we are doing over here. Luna and the Luna browser, right? That's keeping things like pretty much active. Right, we should have another browser page here. Okay, oops. Okay, and this is like a AI media studio. So I wasn't really looking at this, Yeah. So cool. We got a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of things going on here. I gotta go sit down and like play around with this. We got the stock library. Like really building and doing stuff. Wow, you know what I mean? But I think the last time we were looking at animation, doing a lot of stuff with the animation. I think we might bring that function in here, and we'll see how that go. In a lot of ways. So you guys, today we're just gonna show you Luna and Luna PH, right? So, okay, so yeah, so this is some stuff that we talk about in Luna PH, and we can like go back, and it's there. So we're gonna do this. Take the tour.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
And to me, the AI is slow because, but I don't think it's slow. But I'm thinking a lot of stuff. It's daggone AI. It's really doing. If you go here and it goes to smtvs.com, it goes to smtvs. And, let me see what it's doing now. It's analyzing. Okay. So I do have a lot of stuff here. It's just me myself got to like basically look at it and figure it out. Bookmark. Translation. Autofill. But I did mine this month, so I don't need to do it again. I'll put my information into my browser. We just did that in a minute. So we got an address book here. So pretty much a lot of stuff is still here. Well, artist feed. I think we not looked at this. So, okay. See, it was like a thing that we go to artist feed. And I just think today wanted the AI to change this bar here. Once we reach our artist feed, the display here will start showing you music production, the agent, and everything on the sideline here that's connected to here. You know what I mean? Like that. And when I go over here, I should be able to see that thing that said edit the page. You know what I mean? So that's a lot of stuff that's going on right there. So we're not going to go no further, but we're going to jump